Screen Time is my very special in-person confidence on camera workshop designed for beginners and those people who've got a little bit of presenting practice under their belt to really drill down on this skill, hone it to perfection inside a real studio. Now, based on feedback from previous participants, I have made sure that this event is now capped at only 6 people. I want each and every person who walks through the door of this event to feel like they're getting lots of one-on-one contact time, both with myself and with the TV experienced camera operators that I like to work with. We'll run through the Confidence on Camera program, the same one that I share with my Confidence on Camera one-on-one and group coaching clients. Also, the same instructional course that I work through with corporates who book me for half and full day workshops at thousands of dollars at a time. This is a really affordable way for you and some of your team, or maybe all of your team, to work your way through the same coursework, get the same one-on-one, really hands-on experience without so much of the expense. If you want to increase your know, like, trust factor for yourself and your team members and start making content that means that when you hear from customers, they already want to work with you, then this Screen Time workshop is for you.